A post-industrial economy is where our manufacturing industries decline and are replaced through the growth of tertiary and quaternary sectors. Let's see what led to this post-industrial economy in the UK. A post-industrial economy developed in the UK for a number of reasons. Chief among them was the development of information technology that transformed the way people work and live. Instant internet communication, high-speed broadband, smartphones and supercomputers have all certainly advanced the way people work and have helped develop the economy. With around 1 million people working in the IT sector, this helps to attract digital businesses from across the planet to work and invest in the UK. Internet access will also allow more people to work from home, something which boomed during the COVID-19 pandemic. The UK service sector has grown rapidly since the 1970s and now contributes between 70 and 80% of UK economic output, compared to around 46% in 1948. A major part of this is the financial sector, banking, insurance and fund management, with the UK becoming the leading centre for financial services. The financial sector alone contributed £132 billion to the UK economy, employing over 2 million people. Research has become a really important part of the quaternary sector of the economy. Over 60,000 highly qualified people work in the sector, which generates more than £3 billion to the economy each year. With universities, private companies and the government working across different research projects, this return is bound to increase in the future. The UK's post-industrial economy seems set to increase its importance to the development of the UK.